Hi, thank you for your presentation on the movie. And for the first questions, I think he did really um, predict our future precisely, especially for us who are the younger generation and grow up in the era of internet. In the movie, there's a really interesting example where the such as the Launder My Hat animation clips. And author of these animation clips said that he felt he didn't really have any intimate relation with with other peoples, and it felt like our minds are mediated by the screens, uh, such as television, movie, and any other media form. We are kind of conform with those image. Um, and I think we do because we spend so many times on it, and we even create our own image, such as we edit our post on social media to be able to create a better image and idealized image of ourselves, and which is kind of link go off to the second questions. Uh, I think the government surveillance definitely has some impact on our life. For example, I'm in London right now. There are so many CCTV operating. Every time when I go to the bus, there will be a sign saying CCTV is operating on the bus, and we all know about it. We all notice that, but we just don't care about it. We know we are being watched by the government, but we don't know what's the purpose of the camera, or we don't know what exactly the purpose is. Um, and so we just maybe our behavior are controlled at some level that we cannot break the law in under the camera, right? We cannot do any illegal behavior. But at the same time, I think we are also civilian ourselves by the under the image that we created for our own on the social media. For example, if you post a selfie, you don't want to look different from the selfie that you took for yourself in the real life, right? You don't want to break or you don't want to break the idealized image of yourself in the real life. So I think as some this is a I mean from a different angle to consider this problem that our privacy. Do we really own our image, or we are just trying to protect the image? I mean, our behavior is just trying to protect the image that we created for our own, but neglect the true self.